Hello children, myself Shibai Pathak Kulkarni. I am going to continue chapter 7 coordinate geometry. So how to find out the area of a triangle? Children, already you know before. What is the formula to find out area of a triangle? Half into base into height. And also in 9th standard you have learnt another formula to find out area of a triangle, that is Heron's formula. And now if they had given for you 3 vertices coordinates, then we can use one formula to find out area of triangle. So we will go to study about this now. We are going to derive, or did they derive that formula if they had given for us like this way. This is y-axis, this is y-axis, y dash, y-axis, this is x-axis. This is x dash, x-axis, origin. If they are given 3 vertices coordinates here, this is one point in the graph, in the plane. We will denote by A, and this is one B, and this is point C. Coordinate of point A are x1, y1. Let the coordinates of B x2, y2, then let the coordinates the C be x3, y3. If they are given you 3 vertices coordinates for you, how to find out area of this triangle? We can use one formula, that is here. Already they derived how that formula comes. So I am going to write that formula. If they are given for you 3 vertices Q, then already I have written C. Okay. So here area of triangle ABC, of area of triangle trapezium ABQ. Area of trapezium ABQP plus area of trapezium APRC, sum of these two area. In that, if I subtract the area of trapezium BQRC. See now children, area of triangle we can get it when we add area of trapezium BQPA or APQB and another trapezium area APRC. Area of these two trapezium minus area of this BQRC trapezium, if I do it, I am going to get area of triangle ABC. So already they have done that and they have derived one formula. Directly I am going to write that formula, which is the formula we can use it. Area of triangle ABC. So area of triangle ABC. We can use this one formula, that is half of x1 y2 minus y3, y2 minus y3, then plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3, that is y1 minus y2. This is the formula we can use it to find out area of a triangle. When we know 3 vertices of plane, 3 vertices coordinates, when we know, we can use this formula to find out area of triangle ABC, children. So by using this formula, now so how to remember this formula? See now x1 1 2 3, x1 y2 minus y3, then after 1 2, x2 after 2 3 3, after 1 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 2 3 3 2 1, in this manner, cyclic order. After first one x1 is next y2 minus y3. Then next x2, then y3 minus y1. So plus x3, then y1 minus y2. To remember, it becomes very easy, children. So you can remember in this manner this formula to find out area of a triangle when they are given three vertices coordinates to you. Okay, children, by using this formula, I am going to solve the next exercise. That is, I am going to write the question now. Write it this much. 7.3 exercise, children. 7.3 exercise. First main. 7.3 exercise. See now. I am going to solve. You write it this much. This much you write it now. I am going to run. By using this formula now. This is the main formula. Children, now say, this is the main formula we are going to use it now. That is area of triangle ABC is equal to half of, that is x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2, children. This is the formula. You have to remember this formula. This is the main formula. We are going to use it here to find out area of triangle. To find out area of triangle, and they are given for you three vertices coordinates to you. Okay, children? Write down. Children, 7.3 exercise. 7.3 exercise. First question. First main. Find the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle whose vertices are. Whose vertices are. In that first one they gave in this manner 2 3 minus 1 0 2 minus 4. You write, let these 3 points be the vertices. They will consider this is A, this is the x1 y1, B point, x2, y2, C point, x3, y2. Now you write only the formula we have to use it. Area of triangle. Area of triangle ABC is equal to half of. Then first one x1, then y2 minus y3, children. Next, after x1, x2, after 2, y3 minus y1, plus after x2, x3, then after 3, 1, y1 minus y2. So, it becomes very easy to you to remember this formula if you will practice like this way. Now, you substitute the values now. Half of x1 means 2. y2 means 0, y3 means minus 4, then x2 is nothing but minus 1 here, y3 is minus 4, minus y1 is 3. Be careful when simplifying because sign x3 value is 2, y1 is 3, y2 value is 0. Children, if you write it like this, x1, x2, y2, x3, y3, it becomes very easy for you to substitute in this formula. Here only write it which one is x1, y1 and x2, y2 and x3, y3. Then it becomes very easy in this formula to substitute and simplify. Now I am going to simplify now this one. Just I substituted now, I am going to simplify now. 1 by 2, 2, minus into minus plus 4 it is So into it becomes then into, then here minus 1, minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7, plus 3 minus 0 is 3 only, it becomes in this manner. So now I am going to simplify further. 2 4s are 8, so minus into minus plus, 7 1s are 7, 3 2s are 6. So now if I add all these, what I am going to get it now? 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 plus 6 is 21, I got it. 21 if I get it, then if I divide now, I am going to get 10.5 units, square units, because it is the area of triangle. So we don't need it, but square units we can use it. So this is the area of triangle. This is the way of finding the area of triangle when they are given you 3 vertices coordinates to you, children. Okay, children? And practice formula. By writing only you have to practice, and you should have some idea how to remember the formula. So I told you, just if you get confusion while writing this formula, what you do, you write it 1, 2, 3. So x1, then afterwards y2 minus y3, then x2, then y3 minus y1. Cyclic way you have to go and you have to remember the formula, children. Okay. Afterwards x3, then y1 minus y2. So in this manner you have to remember the formula and you have to solve the sum, children. Okay, children. Write down. Children, in first main only second question. What is this they are given like this way? Second question they gave in this manner, that is minus 5 minus 1 and 3 minus 5 and 5 2. Okay, in this manner they gave, and you consider this, let this point be A, x1 y1, B point x2 y2, C point, let these 3 vertices be ABC and the coordinates be, we will take it like this way and we will write the formula, that is area of triangle ABC is equal to half of x1 first 1, then afterwards y2 minus y3, after x1 x2, then after 2 y3 minus y1, plus after x2 x3, after 3 y1 minus y2. So this is the formula. We have to use it to find out area of triangle when they have given for you 3 vertices coordinates to you. Now you substitute the values now. This is half x1 minus 1, y2 minus 1, y3 2. In the formula minus is there, so I written minus. x2 value is 3, y3 value is 2. This minus is there. y1 value is minus 1. Minus of minus 1 it becomes. Be careful when you do the sign changes. Plus x3 is 5, y1 is minus 1 minus, y2 value is minus of minus 5. You can change the bracket when many brackets it comes. Okay, now you can simplify now. 1 by 2 minus 5, minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7, plus 3, minus into minus plus 2 plus 1 it becomes, so 5 minus 1 minus into minus plus 5. Then you can simplify further. 1 by 2 minus 5 minus into minus plus 5 sevens are 35 plus 3 3s are 3 it becomes, 3 3s are 9 it becomes. You understood now? Yeah. Then plus 5 minus 1 is 4. Here also you can write it, no problem. 3 into 3 you write it first, then you can simplify. If I simplify further, 1 by 2, 35 plus 9 plus 20. So if you simplify this 39 44, 54, 64 it becomes. So then after the step I can write it in this manner. So area of triangle ABC is equal to half of, how much it becomes, 30 plus 20, 50, 59, 64 it becomes. So 64. So divide 2 ones are 2 3s are 2 2s are. So 32 square units. So area of triangle ABC, I got it 32 square units, children. In this manner we have to remember the formula. Always children, maths know, if you practice by writing only, you have to practice by solving. First you understand the formula and learn the formula, and by writing many times you practice it and daily remember. Then write the formula, then substitute the values, and if you simplify now it becomes easy. Maths is very easy subject if you practice and if you understand properly. Okay children, practice daily. Maths is very easy subject. Okay children, thank you.